Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, letting out tension and stress. The arms can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it right in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a soft rain. Opening the door. Just feeling the flow. One more time, rising up. Letting go. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders, the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner. The other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Gently pushing to the corner. One more time. Then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. And the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree. Bring it right to the center, then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart and step in, then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, then going back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. Just feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight, step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in, breathing out, one more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front, and soften. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, floating side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot. The other hand makes a loose fist and punches right to the center. Other side, hand over the foot. Other hand makes a fist, punching to center. This one's called fist under elbow. Squeezing in. One more time. Breathing in, breathing out. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open, overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then from here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other, bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then moves forward. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in, push forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. And you can lean into it if you like. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, repulse monkey. This time, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, and then top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee, and push. Circle it around again, and as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. The secret of Tai Chi is continuous flow. One more time, brush knee and push. And the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, then the hands draw in, circle out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs, spiraling the energy and blood flow throughout the body, increasing the circulation as well. One more time, mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle around, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand circles on top as you step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up. Coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together, brush knee and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Just keep on moving and keep on breathing. One more time, brush knee and push. This time, bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. It's like you're moving through the water, feeling the sensations, moving mindfully. One more time, mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle around in front, hugging the tree. And step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the hands come together in prayer position right in front of the heart as you soften down. And the fingertips guide the way out to the side, and they scoop around to the other side as the dragon pierces the clouds. Going side to side, gentle rotation, nice and slow. And you can continue to go side to side, or you can begin to let the hands drift upwards towards the mountain peak, with each pass going a little bit higher, and then going down the mountain trail to the base of the mountain. And then tuning into the body and moving in any way that would feel wonderful for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. Just tuning into the body's wisdom. Let the energy guide you. You can close your eyes and just bring in curiosity. What would it feel like to move this way or that? All right, one more time, the spontaneous dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other in front of the waist. And then switching sides, leaning over to the side going up, and you can gently turn if you like. This time you can lift your leg, touching down as needed. The tiger hugs its head. Other side, touching down at first. And then touching down or lifting up, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then both arms reach up to the sky, floating all the way around, circle in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down. The palms press behind. Then the palms face forward as we scoop under, gathering in the energy and gathering in the breath. Let it wash through the body. The bathing breath. As if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. The arms float up. The arms float down. One more time, the bathing breath. Breathing in. Breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over and down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind, embracing harmony. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And stick around for just a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Embracing Harmony. All elements now come as one, dancing beneath the moon and sun, balancing both the yang and yin. Harmony will bloom from deep within. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.